another video, guys. God's either here, back with the YouTube channel. We're gonna film some Peace Street bangers and just the, you know, normal social rides.
Rocky Drawlin's on the wheelie. Oh, Drake Drummond, man, get out of the way.
What are we gonna do?
I have to follow someone.
OG? Yeah, come on.
OG. Go. We got Draki Drawlin's follow cam. Oh, it's chucking a grip. Oh, Dover. Whoa, that root sucks. He's gonna drop me. Oh, don't crash. It's so loose. How's it so dry? It's ridiculous. He's swanging off it. Oh!
Holy shit, that was actually sketchy.
Dude was swinging off it.
Bro, I bottomed out so hard. Swinging off the back, man.
Great jump.
Oh, I couldn't see. You crop dusted me, boy.
Everyone was crop dusting.
I had Mexican last night.
Are you camera nervous?
We got Eli on the follow cam. He's on a GT sled with a hat. Just make sure your shock doesn't get sunburn, alright, mate?
Yeah. I'm protecting it.
Alright. I'm not here, cousin. You just do you, boo. Oh! He's got to drop me. Oh! He almost hit the stump. Oh, cousin. Shred it up, man. Send it. Ah!
I cannot see.
Open your eyes.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, usually helps.
Thanks, bro.
Pro tips. Give it, Shum. Where you going, cousin? Bro, couldn't even go the right way. Oh no. How do you ride a bicycle? There's a rock out of that. Right, give it to us. Oh!
Wait.
Bro's done 200,000 hours on his fork, never serviced it.
No, I was about to say my fork's never been served. This hasn't been serviced for 3 years.
That's gnarly.
And mint.
You can hear it going.
It's like
Mint.
inside it's like air, bro.
Yeah, inside
Like an old nun
it's just
just
pure
dry.
water.
What did he say?
Nothing. He didn't say anything.
That's not in the vlog.
It is recording. And this one's up to Hayden. Hayden's gonna edit this one. Hayden, mate, your decision.
No.
Leave it in or take it out. I don't care either way. It was Eli.
Bro! What are you... Yeah, I'm getting in front of that.
Far out. It was Eli.
What are you...
Bro.
That's boiled eggs for you.
Go on, get in there. The follow cam is pretty much done. I can't clip in. There it goes. That's so unnecessary! Oh, she's blowing out! Now ride properly, you dimwit! Oh! What's he doing? Oh, how do you get that inside? Over the log! Oh my god, it's actually dusty. Holy shit! sending it. Oh, I clipped it. Doomer! Oh! Hey! Told ya! Every time! Whoa! She stormed me out. Turns out we're in a cyclone.
Dad's warning us there's a big hailstorm coming.
Yeah.
Like a massive hailstorm.
Yep. We're in it. Golf ball sized.
Yeah, Dad's in work.
Well, that'll make for quality content. There's a hut there as well.
Hut over there somewhere.
Yeah, there's a hut just over there.
Yeah, day for it.
Yeah, day for it.
Mate, we should take our shirts off. It's too warm, mate.
Bloody hell.
It's a bit warm out here. Oh, here comes the hail.
Go right! Justin, we're going right! Absolute day for it out here. Beautiful. It's not hailing at all. Oh crap! Oi, go left, there's a hut! Go in here! Oh my god! That's gnarly. Feel it. Put your arms out. Yeah. Stay for it. Oh yeah. It's already smashed, but we'll just hang it so it's not so. There we go. Oh, look at the size of it. Yeah, that's gonna hurt you. That's the size of the hail we're dealing with. Nah, it doesn't even hurt. I can't even feel it. Alright, eat some. Where is it? I want a big one. Oh, there we go. Some hail. See, look, people. Bloody beautiful. Bit dirty. Bussin'. Bussin' respectfully. Mate, you just sweating heavy today or what? Oh! Look at him, he's covered in sweat.
Yeah, sweat, eh? It's sweaty.
Give it some. Oh, mate.
Pretty sweaty.
Pretty good. Oh, you. Harry. Bad.
Hey!
Look at, oi, the sun's out. Bloody day for it again. Sun's out. It's not even, you know, just a quick hailstorm, nothing major. That is actually out. Like, we're gonna be dry in 2 seconds. It's literally steaming.
That is so buttery. Oh, this dirt's so creamy.
Oh, my red light flashing?
Yeah, she's flashing.
Damn it. Oh, beautiful. Oh, yeah.
Good for the derailer.
Whitewater biking. I want to go up the actual river. You ready?
Wait, where do you ski on?
Oh! Oh! I was caught on a root. Oh, sorry, mate. Look at this carnage. This is from, what, how long was that storm, Lockie? This is from like a 10-minute storm, and every tree in this town has dropped about 50 limbs everywhere. We're going to assess the scene at P Street, because the dirt should be on point now.
From a Doma to a Loma.
Yeah, Doma to Loma in 5 seconds, alright? Good thing we pushed up the track to have a look. That would have clotheslined us.
Shit everywhere.
Shit everywhere.
Tree.
But it's gonna be a freaking Loma, man. We walked up the OG track. There was shit everywhere. Then there was a tree we couldn't move. So we're gonna ride down another track slowly and see what that one looks like. No, we won't die because we'll ride smart, won't we? Yeah. All right, you're going first.
Yep.
Gary Diesel. Ride smart. Condition report. Absolute loader. Oh, it's actually so good. Careful. Tree. Yep, bunny hopped it. Good job. Oh! Oh my god.
Oh,
I reckon we can move that.
Well, there you go. That's what we're doing.
Yeah, that is.
Oh, there's another one.
Yeah. This track is literally ruined. This is going to take a lot of work to fix.
Trent. Oh my god.
Trent!
Trent, help.
Trent Moore, we need you! Dropping into the last section of OG. We can actually go quick on this because we just cleared it. Dirt's grippy as now.
Bunny is over the water. That's it.
My feet are bumming my...
It's actually so much grippier
my
now.
hands were barely holding on.
Oh yeah, no gloves, screw that.
And these free rider, dude.
Back to the shop, I guess.
For
And give the condition report to the rest of the crew.
Hey, Smoko?
Yeah, I hope we get Smoko. Back at the shop. Got a bit of Smoko there, mate. Give us a bite. Yeah, might have to get myself some, I reckon. Bloody oath, mate. Flying out the video like
Right, sire. See, boys or girls, can't assume, mate. Can't assume.
Yep. Non-binaries?
Hey?
Non-binaries?
Non-binaries. They
We're going to keep saying LGBTI plus.
Alright, this is getting offensive now.
I had good intent and it's just gone.
Alright, thanks for watching.